Bonjour friends, and happy French Friday to you. We are headed back towards Paris today. We're getting gas in our rental car right now, filling it up before we return the rental car. And then we just happen to see this really pretty chateau over here with the turrets. Thought that was really pretty. There's another pizza box there, like we have in our village as well. It's really handy because you can get pizza 24/7 if nothing else is open. It's a rainy, dreary day today. You got to put in the green is the regular gas, right, Rob?
Yeah.
And what's the blue?
That's ethanol.
Oh, ethanol. And then the yellow is the diesel?
Yeah, Gazole is diesel.
Okay.
And it's expensive, folks.
Is it? We're over 80 euros already to fill up.
Basically 90 American dollars to fill this car up.
I thought I would share just a little bit about how the gas works here in France, just in case that you maybe are planning your first trip to France and plan on renting a car, because the first time that we rented a car when we came to France, we were confused on how the gas worked, and my husband actually put in diesel in the car instead of regular gas. And so we had to have our rental car towed to the shop and get that taken care of and get it fixed right away. So I just want to make sure you don't make the same mistake that we made on our first trip to France. So I thought that could be helpful to some people, maybe. So you never know. It would have been helpful for us to know that before we went to France for the first time. So I thought I would just share that. I think what was so confusing to my husband is that diesel is normally green in the US, and in France it's the opposite. The gas is the green color, and so I think that's what totally threw him off, and he was just looking at the color and wasn't paying attention. So just a heads up on the whole gas thing, I guess. So hopefully that helps someone out there watching this video. We are coming into Versailles now, and I hope you're still with me on this journey as we travel to the Orly Airport in Paris. I think it's always fun to see the different sites, whether it's the French countryside or the city. I think they both are very interesting in their own way, and I love both for different reasons. And of course, I have a special place in my heart for the countryside. I just love it because it is so peaceful and beautiful, I think. And as we're traveling to the airport, I am thinking about I am going to miss France. I really am, and I can't wait till we come back again. And I hope you've enjoyed watching us restore our new property in France. And I know we have enjoyed the process as well, and we can't wait to get back and be able to work on the property some more and finish what we've started. I know what my husband's thinking right now. He's thinking, but is it ever finished? And yeah, that is the question. I don't think it's ever really finished, is it? It's a work in progress, probably, you know? It's when you buy a property and you're working on it, fixing it up, there's probably always something that needs to be done, right? I'm sure some of you can relate to that. I just want to say too that I have enjoyed reading all of your comments, and many of you have just said how you have enjoyed watching these videos, how you are just loving these videos, and you're loving the journey that we are on now. And I'm just so grateful for your support, and I'm so glad that you're enjoying the videos. And I thank you so much for being here. Sorry about the dirty windshield, friends. We should have washed it back at the gas station. It's the end of the trip, so it's pretty dirty. But anyway, I wanted to also mention that some of you have said that you are living vicariously through me. And I I know that some of you have a goal to have your own place in France, and some of you have said that you can no longer travel. So I'm grateful that these videos can take you to France and you can travel along with me. And when these videos are bringing you joy, it's bringing joy into my life as well. It makes me happy to know that these videos are making you happy as well. And if you do have a goal to have your own place in France, I know that that goal can become a reality because it has for me. I had a goal and a dream to have a place in France, and that dream has come true, and I know it can for you too. But until then, the best part about that is that you get to travel to France without ever leaving home, and you can watch us in your comfy, cozy jammies if you'd like to, and you don't have to sit through traffic, and you don't have to go through TSA. So that's pretty cool, my friends. Okay, we are really close to the airport now, so we are going to get some more gas just to top it off before we return our rental car. And then we will be headed off to the Orly Airport after that. We are just going to turn in the vehicle and then we'll be heading inside the Orly Airport to our French Bee gate. And ooh, the yummy French macaroon cookies. I had to take a picture. I just thought it was so pretty, and the colors and everything. They look so yummy. And we are, like I said, are flying with French Bee from the Orly Airport into Los Angeles LAX Airport. And so next French Friday, I will be coming to you from California, and I look forward to visiting with you again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next French Friday. Until then, au revoir.